Like, share, and subscribe.
Hello, innovators. Novation Hub has launched an all-in-one robotics kit that helps you innovate and create diverse projects that you have always wanted to. Today we are going to unbox this incredible kit in front of you all, presenting Novation Hub's all-in-one robotics kit. Let's now begin our unboxing of this kit. First, let's open the box. Let's take out the first component of this kit, which is the user manual. This user manual acts as a complete guide as it contains brief descriptions of various components and parts present in the kit. There are also projects that you can innovate and create using this kit. Moving on to the other components that we have in the kit. This kit consists of both electronics and mechanical parts. Let's take out the brain behind everything that you'll create. This is the Novation Brain. This is the main component of the kit, as it is the brain microcontroller board that controls the functioning of all the projects that can be made with this kit. These that you see are the battery-operated motors. This is the LCD 16:2 display. This is the first wheel, 75 mm plastic and rubber grip. This is the second wheel provided in the kit. This is the chassis. This is the screwdriver. These are the jumper wires. They are of three types, as you can see: male to male, male to female, female to female. This is a 9-volt battery. This is an A to B USB cable. Let's see the components present in box 1 of the kit. First is the battery clip. The next that you see are the IR sensors. This is the ultrasonic sensor. This is the 3D printed part provided in the kit, which is used for connecting the ultrasonic sensor with the chassis. These are the LEDs provided with the kit. This is the LM35 temperature sensor. These are the resistors. Let's dive in to see the mechanical parts in box 2 now. This is the metal spacer. These are bolts. These are nuts. This is caster wheel. This is the BO motor clamp. This was all about what the kit contains. Our kit comes with a very unique and distinguishing feature. For accessing the course, scan this barcode. You will be redirected to the registration page of our website. After doing the registration, open the all-in-one robotics kit course. For accessing the videos of any project, scan the barcode of a specific project. Now let's take a look at what you can create using this kit. Hope you have liked this video. You can purchase it on our website and order it, put it in your cart, proceed to payment, and in a few days' time you can have your kit right in front of you and you can explore so many projects using this kit. Have fun and do get back to us in case of any query. Thank you.
Like, share, and subscribe.